Data types enum support for enumerations. Source code lib/enum.py and enumeration. Important, this page contains the API reference information for tutorial information and discussion of more advanced topics. See basic tutorial, advanced tutorial, enum cookbook. An enumeration is a set of symbolic names, members bound to unique values, can be iterated over to return its canonical non-alias members in definition order. Uses call syntax to return members by value. Uses index syntax to return members by name. Enumerations are created either by using class syntax or by using function call syntax. From enum import enum. Class syntax, class color enum, red is equal to 1, green is equal to 2, blue is equal to 3. Functional syntax, color is equal to enum color, red, green, blue. Enum. Example 1. Color. Even though we can use class syntax to create enums are not normal Python classes. See how are enums different for more detail. Note, nomenclature. The class color is an enumeration or enum. The attributes color.red, color.green, etc. are enumeration members or members and are functionally constant. The enum members have names and values. The name of color.red is red. The value of color.blue is 3, etc. Print color dot red dot color f. Print color dot red dot value. Print color f dot green dot color dot green. Color f dot color dot red dot red. Dot value. Color f color h dot value. Color f dot name. How to call it? Let's read it. Hmm. Okay. Using enum using enum methods, creating enum by class. Module contains enum type, the type of enum and its subclasses. Enum, base class for creating enumerated constants. Integer enum, base class for creating enumerated constants that are also subclasses of integer. Str enum, base class for creating enumerated constants that are also subclasses of str. Flag, base class for creating enumerated constants that can be combined using the bitwise operations without losing their flag membership. Int flag, a base class for creating enumerated constants that can be combined using the bitwise operators without losing their int flag membership. Int flag members are also subclass of integer. Wrapper enum, used by int enum, str enum and int flag to keep str of the mixed int type. Enum check, an enumeration with the values continuous, named underscore flag and unique for use with verify to ensure various constraints are met by a given enumeration. Flag boundary, an enumeration with the values strict, conform, eject and keep, which allows for more fine-grained control over how invalid values are dealt with in an enumeration. Auto, instances are replaced with an appropriate value for enum members. Str enum defaults to the lowercase version of the member name, while other enums defaults to 1 and increase from there. Property, allows enum members to have different attributes without conflicting with member names. The value and name attributes are implemented this way. Unique, enum class decorator that ensures only one name is bound to any one value. Verify, enum class decorator that checks user selectable constraints on an enumeration. Member, make obj a member, can be used as a decorator. Non-member, do not make obj a member, can be used as decorator. Global enum, modify the str and repr wrapper of an enum to show its members as belonging to the module instead of its class and export the enum members to the global namespace. Show flag values, return a list of all power of two integers contained in a flag. Data types, class enum type. Enum type is a meta class for enumerations. It is possible to subclass enum type. See subclassing enum type for details. Enum type is responsible for setting the correct wrapr method, str method, format method, and reduce methods on the final enum, as well as creating the enum members, properly handling duplicates, providing iteration over the enum class, etc. Underscore call, cls value names is equal to none, backslash star module is equal to none, call name is equal to none, type is equal to none, start is equal to 1, boundary is equal to none. This method is called in two different ways. To look up an existing member, cls, the enum class being called, value the value to look up. To use the cls enum to create a new enum only if the existing enum does not have any members. Cls, the enum class being called, value the name of the new enum to create. Names, the names values of the members for the new enum. Module, the name of the module the new enum is created in. Call name, the actual location in the module where this enum can be found. Type, a mix in type for the new enum. Start, the first integer value for the enum used by auto. Boundary, how to handle out of range values from bit operations, flag only. underscore underscore contains underscore CLS member returns true if member belongs to the CLS. Some variable is equal to color dot red. Some variable in color true. Color dot red dot value in color true. Aryan? Print some variable in color true. Color dot red dot value in color. Color dot red dot value in color. Exception unsupported order type for in. True. Underscore underscore dir cls return class doc members module and the names of the members in cls. Dir color blue green red. Class contains doc get item cls name returns the enum member in cls matching name or raises a key error. Color blue color dot blue 3 color blue. Color dot blue why it has not okay. ITER class returns each member in class in definition order. List color color dot red 1 list color color dot green 2 color dot 3 list color. Okay. Length cls returns the number of members in cls length color. 3 underscore underscore reversed cls returns each member in cls in reverse definition order. List reversed color. List reversed color in reverse order. Class enum is the base class for all enum enumeration. Name the name used to define the enum member. Color dot blue dot name color dot blue dot name blue. Value the value given to the enumerator member. Enum member values can be anything integer string etc. If the exact value is unimportant you may use auto instances and an appropriate value will be chosen for you. See auto for details. Underscore underscore ignore is only used during creation and is removed from the enumeration once creation is complete. Ignore is a list of names that will not become members and whose names will also be removed from the completed enumeration. See time period for an example. Underscore underscore dir underscore underscore cell returns class doc module name value and any public methods defined on self.class. From date time import date class weekday number at the rest class method date difference today cls. Print today is percentage s cls date dot today dot is iso weekday dot name. Example 2 enum from enum import enum. weekday dot Saturday. Okay. Today class weekday weekday dot today print weekday dot today none underscore generate underscore next underscore value underscore name start count last values name the name of the member being defined red start the start value from the enum the default is 1 count the number of members currently defined not including this one last values a list of the previous values a static method that is used to determine the next value returned by auto for enum and import auto class power of 3 enum static method generate next value return 3 power count plus 1 first is equal to auto second is equal example 3 enum power of 2 second dot value print power of 3 9 underscore init underscore subclass underscore underscore cls backslash asterisk asterisk kw keywords class method that is used to further configure subsequent subclasses by default does nothing underscore underscore missing underscore cls value a class method for looking up values not found in cls by default it does nothing but can be overridden to implement custom search behavior from enum strenum class build strenum debug auto optimize auto class method missing cls value is equal to values for member in cls if member dot value is equal to value return member return none build dot debug example 4 auto from enum import strenum auto okay build dot debug auto debug build debug underscore underscore wrapper underscore underscore self returns the string used for wrapper calls by default returns the enum's name member name and value but can be overridden class other style enum alternate is equal to auto other is equal to auto something else is equal to auto def wrapper self class name is equal to self dot class underscore name return f class name dot self name other style dot alternate string other style dot alternate example 4 example 5 enum auto okay print other style dot alternate other style dot alternate underscore underscore str underscore underscore cell returns the string used for str calls by default return the enum name and member name but can be overridden format self return the string used for format and f string calls by default can be overridden from class other style enum alternate is equal to auto other is equal to auto something else is equal to auto def underscore underscore format underscore underscore self spec return f self dot name other style dot alternate, this comma string other style dot alternate, f other style dot alternate. Class enum dot integer enum is the same as enum, but its members are also integers and can be used anywhere that an integer can be used. If any integer operation is performed with an integer enum member, the resulting value loses its enumeration status. From enum import integer enum, class number integer enum 1 2 3, number dot 3, number dot 3 3, number 1 plus number 2 3, number 3 plus 5 8, number 3 plus 3, number 3 is equal to 3, true. Class enum dot strnum is the same as enum, but its members are also strings and can be used in most of the same places that a string can be used. The result of any string operation performed on or with a strnum member is not part of the enumeration. There are places in the std lib that check for an exact str instead of a str subclass. Type unknown is equal to str instead of is instance unknown str, and is those location in those location you will need to use strnum dot member. Not using auto with strnum results in the lowercase member name as the value. str is str.str to better support the replacement of existing constant. Use case dot format is likewise str.format for the same reason. Class enum.flag members support the bitwise operators and, or, xor, and invert. The results of those operators are members of the enumeration. Contains self value. Return true if value is in self. For from enum import flag auto. Class color flag. Red, green, blue auto. Purple is equal to color dot red or color dot blue. White is equal to color dot red or color dot green or color dot blue. Color dot green in purple, false. Color dot green in white, true. Purple in white, true. White in purple, false. iter self returns all contained non-alias members. List color dot red, list purple. Len self returns number of members in flag. Len color dot green 1, len white 3. Underscore bool self returns true if any members in flag, false otherwise. Bool color dot green true, bool white true, black is equal to color dot 0, bool black false. Or returns current flag binary ored with other. Color dot red or color dot green, color dot red or color green 3, and self other returns current flag binary and ended with other. Purple and white, color dot red or blue, purple and color dot green, color 0. XOR self other returns current flag binary XORed with other. Purple XOR white, color dot green 2, purple XOR color dot red green blue 7. Invert returns all the flags in type self that are not in self. White color 0, purple color green. Numeric wrap function used to format any remaining unnamed numeric values. Default is the values wrapper. Common choices are hex and op. Using auto with flag results in integers that are powers of 2 starting with 1. Color of 0, color 0. Class enum.int flag. Int flag is the same as flag, but its members are also integers and can be used anywhere that an integer can be used. From enum import integer flag auto. Class color integer flag. Red auto, green auto, blue auto. Color dot red and 2, color 0. Color dot red or 2, color red green 3. If any integer operation is performed with an int flag member, the result is not an int flag. Color dot red plus 2 3. If a flag operation is performed with an int flag member and the result is valid int flag and integer flag is returned. The result is not a valid in int flag. The result depends on the flag boundary setting. The wrap R of unnamed zero valued flags has changed. It is now color 0 color 0. Note: using auto with int flag results in integers that are powers of 2 starting with 1. Inversion of an int flag now returns a positive value, that is the union of all flags not in the given flag, rather than a negative value. This matches the existing flag behavior. Class enum.wrapr enum. Wrapr enum uses the wrapr of enum but the start of the mixed in data type. int.str for int enum and int flag. str.str for str enum. Inherit from wrapr enum to keep the str slash format of the mixed in data type instead of using the enum default str. Class enum.enumCheck. EnumCheck contains the options used by the verify decorator to ensure various constraints, failed constraints result in a value error. Unique. Ensure that each value has only one name. For enum import enum verify unique. At the rate verify unique. Class color enum red 1, green 2, blue 3, crimson 1. Traceback most recent call value error alias is found in enum color crimson red. Continuous. Ensure that there are no missing values between the lowest valued member and the highest valued member. From enum import enum verify continuous. Verify continuous class color enum red 1, green 2, blue 5. Traceback invalid enum color missing values 3 and 4. Named flags. Ensure that any flag groups or masks contain only named flags, useful when values are specified instead of being generated by auto. From enum import flag verify named flag. Verify named flags. Color class color flag red 1, green 2, blue 4, white 15, neon 31. Traceback invalid flag color aliases white and neon are missing combined values of 0 8. Use enum.show flag value for details. Class enum.flag boundary. Flag boundary controls how out of range values are handled in flag and its subclass is strict. Out of range values cause a value error to be raised. This is the default for flag. From enum import flag strict auto. Class strict flag boundary is equal to strict red auto, green auto, blue auto. Strict flag 2 into 2 plus 2 into 4 2 power 4. Traceback value error flag strict flag invalid value 20. Given this, allow this. Confirm out of range values have invalid values removed, leaving a valid flag value. From enum import flag confirm auto. Class confirm flag boundary is equal to confirm red green blue. Confirm flag 2 power 2 plus 2 power 4. Eject out of range values lose their flag membership and revert to integer. From integer enum import flag reject auto. Class eject flag boundary is equal to eject head eject flag 2 power 2 plus 2 power 4. Keep out of range values are kept and the flag membership is kept. This is the default for int flag. From enum import flag keep auto. Class key flag boundary is equal to key. Supported underscore dunder underscore names. Underscore members underscore is the read only ordered mapping of member underscore name colon member items. It is only available on the class. New is specified, must create and return the enum members. It is also a very good idea to set the members value appropriately. Once all the members are created, it is no longer used. Supported underscore sunder underscore names. Underscore name of the member value of the member can be set or modified in new. Missing a lookup function used when a value is not found may be overridden. Ignore a list of names either as a list or as a string that will not be transformed into members and will be removed from the final class. order used in Python 2 or 3 code to ensure member order is consistent. Class attribute removed using during class creation. Generate next value used to get an appropriate value for an enum member may be overridden. For standard enum classes, the next value chosen is the last value seen incremented by 1. For flag classes, the next value chosen will be the next highest power of 2, regardless of the last value seen. Utilities and decorators. Class enum.auto. Auto can be used in place of a value. If used, the enum machinery will call an enums generate next value to get an appropriate value. For enum and integer enum, that appropriate value will be the last value plus 1. For flag and an int flag, it will be the first power of 2 greater than the highest value. For strnum, it will be the lower cased version of the member's name. Care must be taken if mixing auto with manually specified values. Auto instances are only resolved when at the top level of assignment. First is equal to auto will work, auto is replaced with 1. Second is equal to auto minus 2 will work, auto is replaced with 2 or 2 minus 2 is used to create the second enum number. 3 is equal to auto minus 3 will not work, auto instance minus 3 is used to create the 3 enum members. Generate next value can be overridden to customize the values used by auto. Note: in 3.13, the default generate next value will always return the highest member value incremented by 1 and will fail if any member is an incompatible type. Enum.property, a decorator similar to the built-in property but specifically for enumeration. It allows member attributes to have the same names as members themselves. Note: the property and the member must be defined in separate classes. For example, the value and name attributes are defined in the enum class. The enum subclasses can define members with a name, value, and name. @enum.unique, a class decorator specifically for enumerations. It searches and enumerations members. Gathering any aliases is fine. If any are found, value error is raised with the details. From enum import enum unique @unique class mistake enum 1 2 3 4 traceback duplicate values found in enum mistake. @enum.verify, a class decorator specifically for enumeration. Members from enum check are used to specify which constants should be checked on the decorated enumeration. @enum.member, a decorator for use in enums. Its target will be a member. @enum non-member, a decorator for use in enums. Its target will not become a member. @enum.global enum, a decorator to change the str and rep of an enum to show its members as belonging to the module instead of its class. Should only be used when the enum members are exported to the module global namespace. re.regx flag for an example. enum.show flag values value, return a list of all power of 2 integers contained in a flag value. Notes: int, str, enum, and int flag. These 3 enum types are designed to be drop-in replacements for existing integer and string based values. As such, they have extra limitation. str uses the value and not the name of the enum member. Format, because it uses str, will also use the value of the enum member instead of its name. If you do not need or want those limitations, you can either create your own base class by mixing in the int and str type yourself. From enum import enum class my integer enum pass, or you can reassign the appropriate str etc. in your enum. str is equal to plus my enum.str. Thank you.